This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, a tan, brown interior, sleeps 8, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, refrigerator, slideout, TV, external shower, spare tire kit, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH is 5,725 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.